Hi guys, welcome to Exquisite Info. Today's video is slightly bad news for some, not for all. The YouTube are ending the poll cards on the video itself. So if you are into poll cards, I assume, this is what I'm thinking, is probably more towards the affiliate marketers who are promoting some sort of items for getting more engagement from the viewers to buy the item. So the poll cards probably played more importance towards those than all of us. But anyways, just to let you know, the poll card is ending on the 10th of June 2020. So you'll no longer be able to add poll cards. And as this feature was rarely used, YouTube has said only 2%, 0.2, sorry, not even 2%, 0.2% of the whole community in YouTube have used this feature. That is really, really bad. Because it wasn't really important for everyone. Like my own channel, I've never used poll card. The only time I've used it is now just to show this video what the poll card is about. So you'll see it. If you are interested, just stick around and watch it as well. And for those who are into poll cards, make sure you download your data by 10th of July 2020 if you don't want YouTube to delete it. So in case you do have important data, you could then move it across to other platforms like Facebook, and that as long as you have your data, you'd be able to move it from one platform to another very easily. And if you don't want to download your data, all you can do is trim your video down on that section where you're showing the poll card to make sure YouTube does not really mess up your video, just in case in the future they do remove that for whatever the reason. So if by trimming it down or even blurring that section would be probably the best option as well. Whichever suits you best, do that, but make sure you download or trim your video by 10th of July just to be on the safe side, just in case you've got a lot of views, you don't want to mess you up. So that was the news side. And for those who want to know how to create poll cards, though it's too late, but I'll show you a quick tutorial. I've already made a video, so I might as well just show you. Right in here where it says add cards, you can add anything you want. Let's say a video from your playlist. I'm sure you've already done it. So you choose a particular video and then choose a section where you want to show that video. Like my one here, I wanted to show after 20 seconds. Let's say you want to show it 130. This is it. So instead of that, you choose the option on add card, poll cards. So just add poll instead. Look, create poll, and then you'll choose a question what your poll is about and give multiple choices. So you'll give these two choices and then add any more you want. So I'll show you an example on my video. I've never used this feature before, but just for this tutorial, I thought, I'll show you so it's better, so you know what the poll card was. Right, so when you play this video, I'll play it in mute, and you'll see a poll card here. Look, do you like this video? Now I'm going to pause this video here so you can see it. Look, I've given those options. Do you like this video? No. Yes. So viewer will select one of these two. If not, they'll click on this one, improvement needed, the third one here. And there may be another feedback box like why didn't you like it and that. And I'm not sure, like I said, I've never used this poll cards, but that's how poll usually works. It's like a survey to gather information of how people are looking into your channel. Like I said, most people that would have benefited from this, like I said, from the beginning, would be the affiliate marketers who are making videos to engage more people coming into the product. So for example, like you're selling movies, let's say movies or games. You'd have a particular game, maybe show a trailer or a little bit of whatever you want to show from the video, probably a snaps here and there, and then you'll leave a poll on top saying, do you like this game? And a lot of people will say yes, or it was brilliant and this, that. So what happens in that sense is that a lot of other people that have not really got this game, they'll see this poll and see a lot of people are into this, it must be really good. So it's kind of engaging more into it, and what they'll do, they'll end up clicking from your link, you'll end up selling, and the affiliate will then pay you money. So this is what I'm thinking, it was probably benefiting them most. Or if you're using as well, anyways, like I said, it's definitely ending on the 10th of June. So do consider downloading your data. Do not lose your data in case it was very important for you. So anyways, this was a very quick tutorial in regards to the YouTube ending the poll cards. Consider downloading by 10th of July if you don't want to lose your data. Goodbye from now. This was Exquisite Info. Please do comment and subscribe to our channel.